Hello, in this video I will show you how to upgrade tickets on Ticketmaster. So it's a very easy process. What you have to do is firstly go to your browser, then open Ticketmaster. Now in order to actually complete the process, you can go to Ticketmaster help section, and over here just simply search for upgrade and then just simply hit enter. Over here you can just simply see what exactly is needed for you to actually be eligible for an upgrade. As you can see right over here, your ticket have to be in a format as 12:23:45 FLO, as this is the format that your ticket should be in, and you have purchased the ticket directly from the Ticketmaster. You didn't receive your tickets through ticket transfer, resale or any third-party site, and your order doesn't contain VIP tickets, premium tickets or additional non-refundable items such as merchandise. Just will keep that in mind. Now once you require all the conditions over here, so you have to launch a ticket. So this is going to be a ticket to the help center, not a show ticket, but a ticket for the help center. Click on contact us. Now just simply choose any reason over here. Now just simply contact the support team of Ticketmaster and then just simply explain them that you would like to upgrade your tickets and you have met all the conditions, and they will help you to upgrade your ticket. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.